Names of different kinds of fruits we have in Igbo. Aha mkpụrụ osisi dị iche iche anyị nwere. Number 1 is banana. Banana. We call it unere in Igbo. Unere. Some call it une. Just the same thing. Another one is mango. Mango. You call it mangoro. Mangoro in Igbo. Mangoro. Another one is orange. Orange. You call it oroma. Oroma in Igbo. Another one is pawpaw. Pawpaw. Pawpaw in Igbo. You call it okwuru oyibo. Pawpaw. Igbo name is called okwuru oyibo. Another one is udara. 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 You call it African star apple. Udara is called African star apple. Another one is coconut. Coconut in Igbo, you call it aki oyibo. Aki oyibo. Coconut. Aki oyibo. Another one is bitter kola. Bitter kola. In Igbo, you call bitter kola aki inu. Aki inu. Another one is avocado pear. Avocado pear. You call avocado pear in Igbo ube oyibo. Ube oyibo. Another one is African pear. African pear. African pear, you call it ube Igbo. Ube Igbo. Another one is oroma nkịrịsị. Oroma nkịrịsị. Oroma nkịrịsị, you call it lime in English. Oroma nkịrịsị. Lime. Another one is ụkwa oyibo. Ụkwa oyibo. Ụkwa oyibo, you call it jackfruit. Jackfruit. Another one is mushroom. Mushroom. Mushroom in Igbo, you call it ero. Ero. Mushroom. Ero. Another one is aki awusa. Aki awusa. You call aki awusa in English tiger nut. Tiger nut. Aki awusa. Another one is kola nut. Oji. Another one is called mimi pepper fruit. Mimi pepper fruit. Another one is called palm fruit. Palm fruit. Another one is called palm fruit. Palm fruit in Igbo, you call it mkpụrụ akwụ. Mkpụrụ akwụ. Palm fruit. Mkpụrụ akwụ. Another one is okpete. Okpete. Sugar cane. Sugar cane. Many of you don't know the name of sugar cane in Igbo. You call it okpete. Sugar cane. Okpete. Sugar cane. Okpete. Another one is called mkpụrụ vine. Mkpụrụ vine. You call it grape. Mkpụrụ vine. You call it grape. Another one is called garden egg. Garden egg. In Igbo, garden egg means mkpụrụ anyara. Mkpụrụ anyara. Another one is called anyo. Anyo in Igbo. You know the one called anyo? The English name is called watermelon. The one that many people like. Watermelon. Igbo name is called anyo. Anyo. And many other fruits. Like and share our videos. Try to be calling all these fruits with their Igbo names so that you will not forget it. Bye.